Hello everyone, this is Zach from XIFU. Good morning, and again, a quick welcome for those who are here with me. Appreciate if you can hit the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out. Again, a quick disclaimer: in this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, make sure you're on trading plan. If not, just get advice from professional. Okay. Now, looks like markets. Based on KLCI chart. So again, we look into the over KLCI chart to see the overall direction of Bursa. Yes, yesterday it do close above 150. So this is one of the good news, okay, that we can actually see so far. Okay, now, like I said, trading above 150 is certainly is good news. Okay, so hopefully throughout next week, KRSC able to sustain and stay above 150. Okay, actually yesterday it do show there's plenty of opportunity, even though like this week itself. Okay, we already see some of the opportunities start to come in already. All right, so yes, I think it's a good sign. Okay, the KRSC cross 150. Now let's look into the overall indices over here. Okay, mostly is in green. Okay, against good things. Okay, now we're going to narrow down and go into the individual stocks. Okay, now let's start with some of the questions that I have from the audience. Okay, now Joel asked about Amulus. Okay, let's take a look into Amulus. Okay, we got volume coming up. I think just yesterday you got asked in the Telegram also, is it? If not mistaken. Now this is again a downtrend line, yesterday crossing with volume. Now I think this probably is a beginning of so-called the reversal going back to this potential resistance. Okay, I think here also there's support. I think I do mark it previously, but it's quite far. Okay, rebounded from the previous support. Okay, now I think this one we focus back. Okay, using daily charting is better because weekly seems that the support is pretty far away. Okay, somewhere far away. Not to say it's not good, but sometimes it's not that relevant anymore. So if you look into here, I would say that the daily short term wise, yes, they looks like they are crossing on this downtrend line. Okay, so most probably I can say is that there's a chance for them to retest 260. Okay, probably we're here like this and then go up here 260. Okay, so the next one, okay, above 30 cents. Okay, so probably this is the area that you can focus for Amulus. And again, right now, actually, yes, this few days, lots of counters doing reversal. Last week, you do see it's a DIY, 99 speed mark copy. This week, I think there are a few pretty strong ones. I think yesterday, DIB Highcom, Tanchong, if I'm not mistaken, also make a nice reversal with volume. So yes, we can focus on that. Normally, I don't really chase on the day itself, but I like to see there's a little bit of pullback like MSM. MSM is nice. Okay, breakout, pullback, sideways for 1-2 weeks, then they jalan again. So this is something that usually I like to do. Okay, morning view tech. Okay, but a bit sayang like MSM yesterday I exited with a very small profit, but they go up quite a lot. They go up quite far away after that. Okay, but is it sorry, not MSM, not MSM. Post actually is Post, not MSM. Okay, but anyway, MSM make a nice shake up. Okay, yeah, okay, they closed with a 23%, but I just exit with a small 7% only. But it's okay. Looks like today started to do pullback already. Volume is a bit high for me, okay, because this is the first 30 minutes. Okay, so probably I'm going to be patient again until next week, maybe Monday, Tuesday. If let's say they start with low volume again, yeah, maybe I'm going to try that out because I think that Post actually do a nice reversal with volume. You can notice if I put into weekly chart over here, you notice here it actually is a pretty good volume. Okay, so previously, yes, we have some high volume over here, high volume over here. The price actually able to at least rally a bit. But if you look into the overall trend over here, looks like they are kind of like going into a phase like a sideways accumulations. Okay, but again, this is back to this downtrend over here is back to what 2018 until now. Okay, which is quite far away. So yes, I think it's best we go back to daily because I just want to check the overall volume. For me, if let's say they can go back to 40 overcent and 50 overcent, also it's a pretty good profit for me. I don't expect them to go back to like previously 1 ringgit or 2 ringgit. Okay, so let's see how it goes. If let's say next week they're able to retest 20 MA, low volume, I think I still probably will give post a shot again, right? So now MSM also pretty good. Okay, yesterday we did post that out into our Telegram as well. This is like a so-called shakeout patterns happening somewhere around here, period support area. Okay, so we got previously a shakeout, they try to break but fail. Now doing another shakeout again, coming back with volume. Okay, so another good counters to pay attention to. Okay, probably against if let's say they do a nice retest pullback, yeah, I think it's worthwhile to pay attention to. Now this one a bit similar like I think ADA run. Okay, yesterday and 2 days ago, plenty of counters. That's why sometimes I forgot. Have to write down. Okay, so ADA also notice here. This is a so-called shakeout. Okay, in reaccumulation, break, retest. Okay, it looks like a bit of volume coming back yesterday. Okay, a bit of volume coming back yesterday. So again, a good counters that probably I would try out. Okay, but let's see how it goes towards the end of today. Okay, if not, probably Monday, Tuesday. If 1500, I think I'm willing to try at 1500. Okay, $1.50. All right. Okay. Some of the counters that actually we are looking into. Okay, so Salcon, like I said, exit ready. A bit Siam because instead they continue to challenge the resistance. Today still holding up. Okay, today still holding up. Like I say, I still monitoring very closely, even though I exit everything. If they're back to 32 cents, okay, probably give a try. But right now, probably I will more interested in maybe Post or MSM, provided they retest support next week. All right. So the other one I'm still holding is Opstar. Okay, a bit disappointed with yesterday. I thought it going to goes up okay to 60 cents or maybe 64 cents area, but it didn't. So far, still okay for me as long as above support. There's still a chance. Yesterday, drop volume slightly high, but it's not super dramatic. It's not very high. I think still fine. Today, as long as the remain low volume, I think it's still good. Okay, and it's still above support, so I will still going to hold it. Okay, the other one that I'm still holding is also Hata. Okay, Hata also waiting games. All right, still above support. I'm not going to do any decisions unless they break below supports. Okay, so that's my plan. The other one is Almas. Okay, Almas. This one, like I say, a big kanchong enter lah. So, but right now stuck a little bit. So again, as long as above support, I will still continue to hold. Maybe next we'll do decision or maybe switch. Okay, to other counters. Okay, because right now, like I say, yes, there are a few counters that's showing some sort like potentials there. Okay, good morning, Suiwa. Okay, I will look into Solar West. Do let me know any counters you may look into by typing below. For those that who attended Dato U section yesterday, thank you for your support. Okay, I think he do share some valuable insight. Okay, for those oil and gas company also. So oil and gas company, again, we know crude oil prices has in downtrend. Some of the oil and gas company also following the trend right now. But again, a good area for you to spot some reversal, especially if you are using very investing. Do check out their fundamentals. Then we aim for the point of reversal. Okay, now let's look into Solar West overall. Solar West, if I look into this so-called the longer time frame, okay, actually they are started to build some reaccumulation patterns. Okay, because I think 1.8 to 2 ringgit area is a strong resistance POC somewhere around here. But again, this is back to 2021. So somewhere around this area over here might be a strong resistance. So that's why right now they are doing some sort of like a narrow like a reaccumulation. Probably will retest few round, shake out few round before they break, because here is a previous big resistance. Okay, so probably they need some time to cross. Now, real time, if you're looking for so-called long-term one, I think yes, the overall trend, the formation currently is still good. Even though it's still not confirmed yet, but it looks like they might potentially form a VCP lah. Okay, VCP is something like this. Okay, the low is getting higher. Okay, and it's kind of like a triangle patterns. So normally when the stock form VCP, the chances to break is pretty high. But now it looks like just we are at the second wave lah. Still haven't formed yet. But looks like this area here form a very nice support. Okay, around 1.6. Okay, so if you're looking for slightly you got patient one slightly longer term, mid to long term, I think it's okay, right? To buy and hold, or maybe your short term one. Yes, I think also good for you to aim somewhere around supports level to the resistance. Okay, so which means you are doing range trading. Okay, but this range also sometimes will take a bit time. This is back to October, hit around Jan to February. So, yeah, 4 months time. Okay, 4 months kind of time frame. Okay, so let's say mid to long term, I think yes, it's still good. Short term, aim for the range. I think the support there is so strong, still strong so far. Okay, look into analyzer. Okay, FA wise 3 out of 9. Okay, so lah. But okay, TA also currently so lah, because yeah, they're in the sideway at this moment. Okay, any other counters you want me to look into? Okay, if not, I just go into my intraday alerts. Let's see anything that we can spot. Okay, for this morning over here. All right, let's see. Okay, this one also coming high volume. Potential of reversals coming, but not interested. Because right now I'm trying to do is that I want to look for something that reversal pullback, okay? Pullback type, okay, like Post lah, Upstar lah. Even I think YTR Power also got this kind of pattern also. So you can aim for them to retest the resistance level. Okay, MPI not bad. Okay, now it seems like they are trying the gaps area. We got high volume. LGMS. Okay, this one also got volume at the bottom. Looks like today starts a bit of reaction ready. Okay, potential reversal is coming. Okay, MSM, like I say, good as well. Accumulation with shakeout. Okay, but maybe I'll wait for the next pullback. Okay, for me to enter. It's a bit similar to ADARN. ADARN, I kind of like it also. Probably I'll aim for ADARNs. Okay, make sure I remember that. Okay, KGB, MFLA, let's try. Okay, this is front can. Okay, front can not much. I would like to see MFLA. Reversal's not that obvious yet. Any others? Nice one, Marsing. Oh, Ren Hill. Ren Hill, my favorite long-term counters. But in the end, I also give up on them. Okay, let's see Ren Hill. This one's still downtrend. Okay, accumulations counters, reaccumulations counters. Probably need sometimes. But not now. Because I've been holding, previously I've been holding for some times, but in the end, I just exit and take back my cash first. Okay, Glowtech liquids, no for me. P Global, I know previously they are quite active. Okay. It looks okay. Okay, looks okay. Maybe this one we can watch out for some pullback later on. Capital A. Okay. Oh yeah, I think I saw TTVHB. TTVHB, I didn't manage to enter. Okay, go up already. But Opstar didn't go up because the time I was choosing between TTVHB and Opstar. But looks like TTVHB is much stronger than Opstar. Okay. Okay, never mind. Let's look into Opstar, whether they go jalan or not. Ada jalan. Okay, but TTVHB slightly far away from support. So that's why, okay, probably I don't want to chase also. But if let's say that we test back to support, I'll consider Remso break resistance. Okay, AAX. This one also got sign of reversals coming. Maybe somewhere here. Okay, this downtrend line breaking above. Okay, next one probably wait for some pullback, okay, to happen somewhere around here. Okay, so what we can do also, I can check out yesterday pullbacks, okay, to see which stocks haven't really jalan yet, okay, from the pullback areas. Okay, so let's try JHM, TM. Wait, TM break above reaccumulation. Almost break above reaccumulation. Okay, so this one's suitable for those who are looking for long term. Okay, Adaran, I think just now we do talk about Adaran as well. Okay, probably 1.5, I would try. Saipat. Okay, SS Steel. Dialogue. Destiny. Not the best one. Sunway. Okay, do let me know any other counters I want to look into. Because looks like from here, nothing much. Okay, Pullback looks good. Okay, DIB Hicom. Yesterday got some movement, right? Big movement. Okay, today got pullback also. A bit similar like Post. I think the founder is the same founder, right? Okay, so here, probably I'm not sure whether they'll retest back to 70 cents or not, but previously, the Post first breakout, yes, they do retest back to support. So maybe later 70 cents. Okay, it's a good area for us to focus. Okay, let's go back to the intraday alerts. Usma. Okay, Usma got volume. This one got some volume building up already. Okay, so yeah, maybe you can watch out for the potential reversal also. Okay, last one before we close, we look into data prep from Suiwa. Data prep. Wow, this one's still in accumulation. Okay, now I'm not sure whether Suiwa is looking for long term, short term, but this one definitely is in accumulation phase. Okay, so accumulation phase usually tends to be slower. Yeah, this is back to how long? Feb 2022 until now belum jalan 3 years already. Okay, so yes, a long period of accumulation, but one good thing about accumulation is that normally you enter at a lower risk. So you try to aim for at least like a sideways kind of movement. So what I can say is that okay, now 1.2 seems like it's a good support area to watch out for. Okay, which is somewhere around here, 1.2. All right, so yeah, if you want to play around with the range, I think it's okay for this. Okay, because since they're in accumulation, so maybe first one 1.6. Okay, subsequent one, let's see here. Yeah, I think main one would be 250, but I think before you reach 250, 160 is something that you have to pay attention to. Okay, next one probably is around 20 cents. Okay, in terms of good risk to ratio, it's good. Okay, it's good, but do bear in mind data break this kind of counters, right? Sometimes it will take a bit time to break resistance. Okay, because of looks like sometimes it's a bit illiquid, right? Okay, so that's why it needs a little bit of time to have some movements. Okay, so needs a bit of patience. Again, this is in accumulation stocks. Okay, YTR power. YTR power slowly heading to resistance. Okay, this one also, like I said, support still there. Okay, support still there. But again, if you ask me whether they have a bullish momentum like previously or not, I don't think so. Okay, but looks like they are testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times already. Okay, this support over here. So likely moving forward, there will be a accumulations forming. Okay, for YTL power. So for me right now, I say previously as well. If you're aiming for short term, I think it's a good counter to focus, including YTL as well. So probably you want to aim somewhere around here. Okay, 346 area. Okay, 3.46 area. So right now, yes, they are slowly going into this range. If they enter, I don't think there's issue because they closed this gap last week. Okay, sorry, this is 2 weeks ago. They closed this gap. Okay, now slowly heading to this area. So this area again is a good area for you to consider to probably lock a little bit of profits. Okay, no weakness so far, so I think it's okay. Slow and steady tower movement. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me. Welcome, Suiwa. Okay, so thank you for joining me. Hopefully my section over here again do bring a little bit of value to you, especially on these Bursa markets over here. Now, if you like my sections, help me to click the like button, help me to share this out. Join our Telegram, all right? So market looks like getting interesting this week. Definitely we'll post more stocks into our Telegram. So I do welcome discussions. So if you think that you got anything you want to share, do share in Telegram so that we have some sort of discussions happening there. With this, thank you, and I'll see you next week.